siyasebenzisana namasonto. First Church siyasebenzisana nayo. Une le uyibonayo, there's other enina ningayiboni. Ungababona bafaka ama-badge, zikhona izinto abazenzayo ebumnyameni enina eningazazi. Siyasebenzisana nalamasonto. Senza ubuthakathi amatiye lawo ebeloko bathi hayi itiye khona esikuhlanganisa yo phakathi. Siyahlanganisa lapha ukuzibuza ukuthi okay why abantu basethina baqeda uphuza letiya baba ne-energy baba hyper.
It's true.
Yeah,
it's true. No, it's true.
Baba hyper because khona izinto esizifakayo phakathi lapha. Umuntu akaphelelwa moya, they always hyper. Bazojumpa ngathi angazi yini. Umuntu okhona makabuya usula nje umjulu khona izinto esizifakayo phakathi. Bona they don't see. Ubazi ukuthi kulesa sigcoko lesa siyaba control. Letithi umuntu makafuna ukuyeka isonto la ku egcina sekalahlekelwa ingqondo. Yes. Ngoba basebenzisana nabantu abathakathayo. Abasitholi nje estradeni thina khona la sihlanganela khona. Sazi ukuthi okay.
For the first time, I watched Soweto podcast here on YouTube because it was trending on TikTok, whereby we saw this Sangoma, witch doctor, whatever it is that he calls himself. His name is Tepisho. He has spoken, he has said a lot of dark and evil things. You know, he took accountability for bewitching his close relatives, and he dropped this huge bombshell that them as witches and witch doctors, they do work with one of the biggest churches in South Africa, or a ZCC church. They work like ZCC, you guys. He says, the tea they drink, that's why they strong because them as witch doctors and sangomas, they put in some things which makes them, those people who goes to that church, very high. He also talked about, why is it that people who want to leave the church end up going insane? It is because of the witchcraft spells which they as witch doctors or witches have done. Those are very serious and damaging allegations. Why would you come on national social media to make such allegations? People were saying that she is probably cloud chasing Onyaka like the clients for her practice. She was asked, Tepisho, do you know how big this platform is? You are coming out here to make serious and damaging allegations, damage like your reputation. Do you know that you're probably gonna be getting like threats once you do this podcast? She said, yes, I just want to get everything off my chest. I just want to tell people what we do. Wow. And let me just tell you guys, that episode was so chilling. I mean, we live in a very sick, dark and evil world. Please do make sure that you do go watch that podcast. Engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video. Do make sure that you do subscribe so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.
Sazi ukuthi okay sihlangana la sohlangana nakuphi futhi sihlangane siyenza i-caucus meeting yethu noma sihlangane estradeni thina abathakathi into engizokutshela asibulisana sazani ngeenkathi zethu kumanje so singahlangana nomthakathi ngazi ukuthi hayi siyahlangana ku meeting ngizomdlula kuphela ingathi angimazi kodwa later on sasho ukuthi okay awuthi ngeke asibu ngifuna ukuthatha umzimba wakhe ngiyosebenza ngifuna ukumgibela kuzoba yashi lami namhlanje awukazi ukuze ukuthi sometimes uzovuka umzimba ukhathele sisuke sikuride ubuye eMpumalanga ubuye eLimpopo le lokuyahamba wena uyahashi siyasha yes uze ukuthi wena ulele sithathe umoya wakho uko lo sebenza sigibela wena ubuthakathi enye into abantu abanga understand enye into eninga understand ubuthakathi sasebenzisana na manager. Umuntu uyakhona ukuthi umbulale ngeqanda. Umuntu uyakhona ukuthi umbulale ngemali yakhe. Ngifike kuwe ngithi okay ngicela ungiboleke u100 ngisafuna ukuyothenga ugesi. Mangisuka lapho ngiyazi ukuthi ngina i100 endlini. Ngiyayithatha ngiya ngayo emathuneni. ngofike ngibophelele ngihlabe ngithi hayi yazini sibu imali yakho naye angizange ngayisebenzisa ngithi yakho sengithathile bengazi ukuthi kunayo ubona ukuthi ya manje imali angisayithola wazi ukuthi yini imali yakho ihlele emathuneni. That's why abanye abantu bazobona imali ingahlali ihamba njengamanzi maka iphethe maybe iphethe 50,000